Hi there, hi everyone. Today I show you how to double WhatsApp in one phone. If you want open two accounts WhatsApp in the same phone, you need one app. And look at this dual app or Galerian. This is an app that clone the app. Okay, you need look at Play Store. In Play Store, you search find look dual WhatsApp or dual app. Okay, and select the best app. 4.4, 4.4, 10 million downloads, 100 million downloads. Select this app, and in this app you can clone your WhatsApp or your Twitter, your Messenger, any app, a WhatsApp, Line, Twitter, and you can open two accounts in the same iPhone phone. Okay, man. This is all for this video. Sorry for my English, not is the best, but it's my best try. I want learn to speak English. If you have any advice for me, I appreciate, man. Okay, see you later, and please touch like and subscribe, man. Sorry, bro, for my bad English. See you later. Good day.